Hi, welcome to Math Key. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to calculate the perimeter of irregular shapes, just like this one. Perimeter is defined as the sum of the outer length round any given shape or figure. For example, the perimeter of this rectangle is calculated by doing 8 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 5 centimeters, which is 26 centimeters. Note that perimeter should never include any internal length or lengths within the given shape. It is adding up only the length around the given shape. All calculations in this lesson will be based on the fact that opposite sides of any rectangle are always equal. So before we look at this example, let's start with this just to ensure perfect understanding. First, we must look out for the 3 missing sides. If we consider only this rectangle, it is obvious that since here is 2 centimeters, then the opposite side must be 2 centimeters as well, since opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal. Now, let's look for the second missing side. Like we just did, if we consider this outer rectangle, it is also clear that the second missing side will be 4 centimeters, since opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal. Lastly, we need to find the third missing side. The length from here to here is equal to the length from here to here because they are opposite sides of the rectangle. If we consider the rectangle again, its length is 6 centimeters, which means that the full length of the opposite side is also 6 centimeters. This means that here is automatically 2 centimeters, since 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters balances the opposite side, which is 6 centimeters. This means that if we consider this rectangle again, the length below must be 2 centimeters. Now all the sides of the shape have been found. We can now add up to get the perimeter of the entire figure. To avoid the mistake of omitting some length during the addition process, it is best to mark a starting point. So 2 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 4 centimeters gives us this. Hence, the perimeter of this figure is 24 centimeters. Let us now apply the same steps to find the perimeter of this initial figure. There are 5 missing sides and we need to obtain each side. The height at the left-hand side is obviously 12 centimeters by considering the height of the opposite rectangle. Looking at this rectangle, the bottom is 1 centimeter since the top is 1 centimeter. And the same applies to the opposite rectangle. The bottom is also 1 centimeter. Now we have this length and this length remaining to find. The entire length of the base of this figure has been given as 8 centimeters in the question. And this is uniform across the shape because the entire shape is formed by joining several rectangles. What this means is that from here to here must be 6 centimeters, so that 1 centimeter plus 6 centimeters plus 1 centimeter balances this 8 centimeters. So, considering this rectangular space, this missing side must be 6 centimeters, meaning that the opposite length is also 6 centimeters. Now all 5 missing sides have been found, meaning we can now calculate the perimeter of the entire figure. There are a total of 12 sides in this figure. No side must be omitted in error, otherwise all effort will be ruined. So, it is best to mark a starting point. Now let's add up. 1 centimeter plus 5 centimeters, plus 6 centimeters, plus 5 centimeters, plus 1 centimeter, plus 12 centimeters, plus 1 centimeter, plus 5 centimeters, plus 6 centimeters, plus 5 centimeters, plus 1 centimeters, plus 12 centimeters will give us the perimeter of the entire figure. Hence, the perimeter of this figure is 60 centimeters. If you found this video helpful and want to see more like this, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to MathKey. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.